Welcome to your new Vitamix 5200. The 5200 is one of the most popular Vitamix blenders we've ever designed, and it's still topping best blender lists to this day. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through what's in the box, how the controls work, and how to get your first blend started. Inside the box, you'll find the 5200 motor base, a 64-ounce container with lid, a tamper, and a getting started guide with recipe inspiration and tips. The 64-ounce container is one of our most versatile, since its narrow base lets it handle everything from single smoothies to family-sized batches. Place the motor base on a flat, stable surface. Set the container on top of the base. When it's seated properly, it will sit flat and secure. Plug the blender into a grounded outlet and make sure the variable speed dial is turned all the way to the left and the high switch is set to variable. That's your starting position. The power switch turns the machine on and off. The variable speed dial allows you to adjust the speed at any point during blending from 1 to 10 to control texture. After ramping up the variable speed, the high switch delivers maximum power and motor cooling. You'll use this mode for most blends, whenever the desired result is a puree or a fully blended texture. For your first blend, let's make a triple berry smoothie. Add your ingredients to the container in this order. Liquids first. Got a cup of water, vanilla yogurt, and then your soft ingredients. Got red grapes, and then leafy greens if you have them, and finally your frozen ingredients or ice. Got frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, and frozen raspberries. And place the lid on the container, make sure it's secure, and then turn your power switch on and blend for about 30 to 60 seconds or until you reach your desired texture. Start blending on the lowest speed, increase the variable speed dial to 10, then flip the high switch. This gradual ramp up pulls ingredients into the blades and creates a smoother blend. The 5200 is built to blend at high speed. For most recipes that finish smooth, like smoothies, soups, frozen drinks, nut butters, dips, and purees, that ramp up to high speed is essential. The tamper is an essential part of the Vitamix blending system. For thick or frozen blends, the tamper helps move ingredients through the blades. It reduces air pockets, improves blend quality, and shortens blend time. We'll demonstrate with a fresh peanut butter. Cleaning your 5200 is fast and easy. Just add warm water to the container along with a drop of dish soap. Then secure your lid and run the machine on high. In about a minute, your container will be clean and ready for the next blend. Rinse and let it air dry. And that's the basics of your Vitamix 5200. With simple controls and iconic performance, the 5200 gives you complete control over every blend and the confidence to experiment with new recipes and techniques. Enjoy your first blends, and welcome to Vitamix.